Have you made any of these 10 mistakes that can sabotage your workouts? Don't worry, today we're going to address each one of them and show you how to avoid them. This video is essential to ensure that you achieve the desired results in your workouts. Don't miss out, because every detail makes all the difference in your fitness journey. It's crucial to start our journey by addressing the importance of warming up before exercising. This is a vital step that cannot be overlooked. Underestimating its importance not only compromises performance during physical activity but also opens the door to injuries that could have been avoided. Warming up prepares our body for the effort ahead. It's like slowly waking up the muscles, joints, and systems of the body, getting them ready for the work they'll have ahead. It's not just a formality but rather an essential preventive measure to ensure that we can safely and effectively perform our exercises. By properly warming up, we increase blood circulation to the muscles, which improves their elasticity and flexibility. This means we're less likely to suffer muscle strains or other injuries during the workout. Additionally, warming up helps raise body temperature, which improves the efficiency of energy metabolism, making it easier for the body to meet the physical demands of exercise. Never underestimate the power of warming up. It's the essential first step in any exercise routine. Take the time to properly prepare your body before starting to train. In addition to understanding the importance of warming up before exercising, it's crucial to understand the difference between general and specific warm-ups. Both play distinct but equally important roles in preparing the body for different types of exercises. General warm-up aims to prepare the body as a whole, increasing blood circulation, raising body temperature, and activating major muscle groups. This type of warm-up is ideal for activities involving varied movements and requiring coordinated functioning of different parts of the body, such as running, cycling, or functional training. On the other hand, specific warm-up focuses on preparing the body for the specific movements that will be performed during the workout. This involves performing exercises that mimic or approximate the movements of the main workout, aiming to activate the specific muscles involved and improve the range of motion in relevant joints. For example, if the main workout involves weightlifting, the specific warm-up may include light sets of the exercise itself, focusing on technique and preparing the muscles involved. Therefore, do not underestimate the importance of differentiating between general and specific warm-ups. Integrating both types of warm-up into your pre-workout routine will ensure that your body is adequately prepared to face the physical challenges ahead. This distinction not only improves performance during exercise but also helps reduce the risk of injuries. A common mistake is overdoing cardio. Although crucial for promoting cardiovascular health, excessive cardio can sabotage your muscle gain goals. The key is to find a proper balance between cardio and strength training to achieve the best results. Cardio exercise is essential for strengthening the heart and lungs, as well as aiding in calorie burning and weight loss. However, when done in excess, it can compromise muscle gain. This is because the body, adapting to intense cardiovascular training, may start burning muscle mass as a source of energy, hindering the muscle hypertrophy process. On the other hand, strength training is essential for developing and maintaining muscle mass. By performing resistance exercises, such as weightlifting, you stimulate muscle growth and strength, promoting a more defined and toned body. It's essential to find a balance between these two forms of exercise. This may involve reducing the volume and intensity of cardio while focusing more on strength training. Alternatively, alternating cardio days with strength training days, ensuring that both aspects are addressed in a balanced manner throughout the week. By finding this balance, you not only promote optimal cardiovascular health but also maximize your potential for muscle gain. It's essential to understand the importance of avoiding constantly overloading the same muscle group. Allowing your muscles to rest and recover properly between workouts is not only crucial for preventing injuries but also for maximizing muscle growth. When you repeatedly exercise a muscle group without giving it enough time to recover, you risk causing damage and injuries. This is because muscles need time to repair the micro-tears that occur during exercise and to rebuild themselves stronger and larger. Additionally, lack of adequate rest can lead to chronic muscle fatigue, reducing your performance in subsequent workouts and hindering progress towards your fitness goals. It's crucial to incorporate adequate rest and recovery periods into your training routine. This may include alternating the muscle groups worked on different days, allowing at least 48 hours of rest between workouts for the same muscle group, and prioritizing quality sleep to ensure effective recovery. By doing so, you not only reduce the risk of injuries but also create an environment conducive to optimal muscle growth. Remember that rest is as important as training itself when it comes to achieving your fitness and overall health goals. In addition to paying attention to warming up and avoiding overloading the muscles, it's crucial to respect the intervals between sets during training. Often, we underestimate the importance of these periods of muscle recovery, but they are crucial for optimizing our workouts and achieving consistent results. The intervals between sets allow the muscles to recover some of the energy used during exercise and remove accumulated metabolites, such as lactic acid, which can lead to muscle fatigue. When these recovery periods are neglected, and the sets are performed too quickly, the quality of the workout can be compromised, and the risk of injuries increases. Therefore, it's essential to respect the recommended intervals between sets, which may vary depending on the type of exercise, the training goal, and the individual's fitness level. Generally, shorter intervals are suitable for endurance and resistance training, while longer intervals are needed for high-intensity exercises or weightlifting. By giving proper time for recovery between sets, you allow your muscles to properly restore themselves and be ready to perform in the next set of exercises. This not only improves the effectiveness of the workout but also reduces the risk of injuries and helps promote consistent progress towards your fitness goals. Do not underestimate the importance of intervals between sets. They are an essential part of any successful training program and should be treated with the same care and attention as we devote to the exercises themselves. Clearly defining your training goals is another crucial point to consider. Without a clear vision of what you want to achieve, it's easy to get lost in the exercise routine and lose focus. Therefore, it's essential to set specific goals and develop a training plan to support them. When setting your goals, consider what you want to achieve in terms of fitness, health, and well-being. This may include goals related to weight loss, muscle gain, improvement in cardiovascular endurance, or simply maintaining overall health. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to achieve, it's time to create a customized training plan to help you reach those goals. This may involve selecting specific exercises, determining the frequency and intensity of workouts, and setting realistic deadlines to achieve your goals. Remember that your training goals may evolve over time as you gain more experience and confidence. Therefore, be open to adjusting your training plan as needed to ensure that it continues to support your ever-changing goals. We cannot ignore the importance of a good night's sleep when it comes to achieving our fitness goals. Adequate rest plays a crucial role in muscle recovery and overall performance in workouts. During sleep, our body undergoes processes of muscle repair and regeneration, helping to restore tissues that have been damaged during exercise. Additionally, adequate sleep is essential for regulating hormone levels, including those related to muscle growth and fat burning. When we don't get enough sleep, our body doesn't have the opportunity to fully recover, which can lead to muscle fatigue, increased recovery time, and even decreased performance in workouts. Additionally, inadequate sleep can negatively affect our concentration, decision-making, and coordination, further compromising our ability to exercise effectively. Therefore, it's crucial to prioritize quality sleep as an integral part of any training program. This includes establishing a regular sleep routine, creating a conducive sleeping environment such as a dark and quiet room, and avoiding harmful habits like excessive caffeine consumption or electronics usage before bedtime. By making sleep a priority, you'll be giving your body the time and resources it needs to recover properly, thus maximizing your results in workouts and reaching your full potential in physical fitness. Ensuring proper execution of exercises is essential for the success of any training program. Maintaining good form during exercises not only helps prevent injuries but also ensures that you reap the maximum benefits of each movement. When we perform exercises with poor form, we put unnecessary pressure on certain parts of the body, which can lead to muscle, joint, or even bone injuries. Moreover, Improper technique often results in uneven distribution of load, compromising the effectiveness of the exercise and limiting the achieved results. To ensure proper execution of exercises, it's important to pay attention to posture, body alignment, and range of motion. This means maintaining a neutral spine, engaging the core muscles to stabilize the core, and avoiding compensations when performing movements. Additionally, it's helpful to work with a qualified fitness professional, such as a personal trainer, who can provide specific guidance on the correct form for each exercise. They can offer real-time corrections and provide tips and techniques to ensure that you're maximizing the benefits of your workouts. By prioritizing proper execution of exercises, you'll be investing in your long-term health and safety, as well as optimizing your fitness results. To achieve your fitness goals safely and effectively, it's crucial to avoid excessively increasing the load and intensity of training too quickly. Progress should be gradual and sustainable, allowing your body to adapt gradually to increasing exercise demands. When we increase the load or intensity of training too quickly, we put our bodies at risk of injuries. Joints, muscles, and connective tissues need time to strengthen and adapt to the new demands imposed by exercise. Increasing the load too quickly can overload these structures and increase the risk of muscle, joint, or ligament injuries. Additionally, excessive increase in training intensity can lead to excessive fatigue and overtraining, which can impair performance and delay results. It's important to remember that progress in physical fitness is a gradual and continuous process, and doesn't happen overnight. A more sensible approach is to increase the load or intensity of training progressively and controlledly, giving your body enough time to adapt and recover between sessions. This may involve gradually increasing the weight of the weights, the number of repetitions, or the duration and intensity of cardio over time. By adopting a gradual and sustainable approach to training progress, you'll be protecting your health and reducing the risk of injuries, while promoting consistent and lasting gains in your physical fitness. Don't underestimate the importance of progressing in your training program over the weeks. Gradually increasing training intensity is crucial to challenge your body and ensure that you continue to achieve consistent results. When you exercise regularly, your body adapts to the training stress and becomes more efficient at handling it. To continue challenging your muscles and encouraging growth and improvement, it's essential to periodically increase training intensity. This can be done in various ways, such as increasing the weight lifted, the number of repetitions or sets, reducing rest time between exercises, or incorporating more advanced exercises. The important thing is to find ways to progressively and controlledly increase the demand on the body. By gradually progressing in your training, you keep your body constantly challenged, which is essential to avoid plateaus and ensure that you continue to progress towards your fitness goals. Additionally, progressing over the weeks also helps keep your training interesting and motivating, avoiding boredom and stagnation. Don't forget to include progression in your training plan. Be creative and regularly adjust your workouts to challenge your body in new ways. Thank you for watching. Share this video to help others avoid these mistakes and achieve their fitness goals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive tips. Until next time.